Today, more than 50% of the surgeries around the world are made through originally open surgery, which is not exactly what a patient should have, considering the time to recover, the post-op experience, and so on.
Thank you both so much for sharing CMR Surgical's story. Here at Railpen, we're very passionate about investing in innovative companies just like CMR Surgical, both here in the UK and further afield, helping us to deliver sustainable long-term returns for our members while supporting UK growth. I suppose just to kick off, it'd be great to get your view on describing what CMR does.
Absolutely. I think I'd say there were two big drivers for wanting us to create CMR. One was this massive need for a better way to provide keyhole surgery to literally millions of people a year, hundreds of thousands in the UK alone. The other was the desire to create a British medical devices company that was going to be building things and selling them all around the world.
If you look at the arms of our robot, they simply replicates what the human arms, with just a better wrist, a wrist that can move 360, and this is pretty unique.
I guess going back to the earlier stage of the growth journey, were there any challenges in fundraising initially, and how have you thought about long-term investment?
There aren't really any significant technical risk reduction milestones until you've built a prototype of the whole thing. It's got to work from instruments all the way to surgeon controls for you to be confident the idea is right. And for something as complex as a surgical robot, that's 2 years and £3.5 million. There's nothing smaller that makes any sense. We're also tremendously grateful to investors like Railpen, which have been able to give us the backing to scale commercially in the way that we are now.
Not only have they given us support in terms of investment, they've also continued to support us behind the scenes with influence of the government to support us as a British company.
The only pressure I feel is doing the right thing for the patients, and then it's a full alignment with our investors. So that's the reason why it's an happy company, because you have management investors fully aligned in doing what we need to do to accomplish our ultimate goal, which is once again serving our patients.
Going forward, what do you think the biggest opportunity is for CMR?
I can think of several district NHS hospitals in the UK which have now had Versius for a few years, and at least one of them in the last year bought a second system because they were keeping the first one busy. This is exactly what we want to achieve, and if you can work in a small NHS hospital, it can work anywhere.
We are putting all that money behind our main focus areas, most important being the US market, where we have been awarded the FDA approval, so we are entering the market as we speak.
We went into pediatric surgery a couple of months ago in 3 centres in the United Kingdom, 3 big teaching hospitals, and we finished the study and the results are spectacularly good. And the surgeons contacted me to say, how long will it take from finishing the study till they get regulatory approval? And I said, why? And they said, because they don't ethically believe they can go back to doing open surgery or keyhole, handheld surgery on patients.
You are clearly really passionate about what CMR does. What drives you?
Well, indeed, I'm very passionate, and the reason is I see what happens in each hospital every day, thanks to our product, thanks to our Versius, our robot.